Good day. Today's module will be dealing with the lamp and filter maintenance of Sanuvox's unit. Let's start with the lamp. It's quite easy. The J lamp installed parallel to the airflow in all of Sanuvox's module discussed previously does not need to be cleaned during the usage of the 3 years inside the unit. Now, for those who would like to clean the lamp, it's possible once a year to remove the lamp off the unit, use a cloth and rubbing alcohol, and gently clean the lamp and put it back in place. This will assure the lamp to be clean at the most efficiency. However, like discussed, the lamp will not really get dirty. It's like the windshield of your car besides the side window. The windshield will always get dirtier than the side window, and the lamp of Sanuvox installed parallel is like the side window of your car. Doesn't get much dirty. The filters now. In the P900, there are 2 small grills that are installed at the inlet of the unit. Those grills are merely installed to capture the large dust particles. Dog, cat's hair will accumulate on its surface, and all we need to do is remove those grills, rinse them up, and dry them and put them back in place for usage. The S300 model includes a pre-filter and a HEPA filter. The changes of those filters, although indicated on it, will depend on the usage of the unit in the house and the house cleanliness. The pre-filter is suggested to be changed between 3 and 6 months. It could probably be extended to 9 and a year depending on the cleanness of the house. Again here, the change of the HEPA will depend on the condition of which the unit has been used. Now keep in mind that if you change the pre-filter more often, you will extend the life of the HEPA filter, which costs a bit more. In conclusion, Sanuvox units have been designed to keep the maintenance level at its minimum. So lamps every 3 years, filters, one is washable for the P900, and the S300, well, watch on your pre-filter and you'll extend the life of your HEPA. Thank you, and good selling.